All right, today, special treat. Good friend David Calvin got us, David Calvin, I wrote it on the back of the bottle. David Calvin got us Journeyman Distillery's handmade organic Silver Cross whiskey.
Gee, why do they call it Silver Cross, Rocky?
I don't know, Eric.
We'll find out when we get the tasting notes from Mr. Mac. Oh, yeah, and Mr. Mac is back with us as our MC.
MC for
It's
the
been
day.
a long time since we rock and roll with Mac.
Yes. He wanted to rock and roll all night and party every day. It was crazy.
In World War I.
Yeah. Mac was at a World War One event or World War II event?
World War I.
Months ago.
1915.
Yep.
What were you in? You haven't been on the show since October, so
Something like that.
you were at another event in November, right?
Yes, that was the 1917 event.
So it's been World War I all year.
It's been a weird
been
backwards
nasty.
travel.
Wow.
He's
Times
been
haven't gotten any better.
He's been a bit of a journeyman during this time. Yes, bringing it back around to the whiskey. Okay. Just needs a little more. All right, Mac, come on over here
Hey.
and come collect your bottle of whiskey. Or bottle. The
He
glass
gets
of
the
whiskey.
whole bottle?
Yes.
Wow. That's a
And
perk.
While you are here, Mac, why don't you tell us what tartan do you have on today, Mac?
I've got the Stuart Hunting tweed.
With
on
no
today.
sporin. How dare you, sir?
It's
What
somewhere
the heck? We have to cut this out. Adam,
Exactly. He
cut
doesn't
this
exist.
out.
We'll just
Yeah.
Photoshop one in.
There you go. There you go.
Very good. All right. You may go. You may go now, sir. You may go now.
It's a good day, sir.
What do you have on there?
Scott Red Weathered.
Scott Red Weather.
Which has nothing
Very
to do with the
nice.
Kansas City Chiefs.
Yep. Fair. I have on the American Dream tartan. You see a little bit of it right there? Yes.
Yep.
The American Dream tartan. One of my personal faves. Love it. All right, here we go. For
Thank
you,
you. Thank you.
for me, and for Mac. All right. Who you have the nosing and tasting
The
all the
nosing
noses over there.
nose
the
stuff.
cheat sheet?
All right, so color deep copper.
Okay.
Sure.
Sure, why not?
All right,
Well,
so
not deep.
for the nose, it's a fruity aromas, warm baking spices, and honey.
That smells spicy.
Warm baking spices
Warm baking spices.
as opposed to room temperature spices.
Yes.
So.
I don't know what we're baking though. I mean, is this like a?
I don't know what we're baking either, dude. It's like you just leave your spices on top of your wood stove.
Tastes like copper.
Well, it should have a
That's a
warm
short in
and
your mic
silky
play.
palate with hints of toast, fruit, and cinnamon.
Fruit,
It is-
toast, and cinnamon.
It is
Just
sweet.
Just like you want to drink your toast.
Yum, yum, yum,
It's a
yum.
breakfast cereal, kids, and it's a drink. An energy drink. It's like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Toast, fruit, cinnamon. It is breakfast.
Sweet. All right. I get the sweet too.
Like fruity, yes, I'll give them that. I'm not cinnamon, no. There's a little bit of a burn at the very end, but it's short.
I agree.
It's got a weird
I
nose
agree.
to it. Not a big fan of the nosing.
The finish
Nose
it
is
says
very,
is
very just meh vanilla to me. It's kind of,
Vanilla. Maybe that's it.
yeah.
finish is for it says medium grainy finish with a slightly bitter outro.
It's different than things we've had before.
I'd say it's
Because
very
it's four
mild.
different. It's because it's 4 grains. It's a funky
Some
blend.
Funky.
Rye, wheat, corn, and barley.
I don't know. I don't.
You know
I
what?
don't-
It does remind me of rye.
Like
You ever
rye
drink rye?
toast, yeah.
No. Rye is in rye whiskey.
Yeah.
Okay.
It tastes kind of like rye.
Yeah.
If you like rye, you might like this. That's my verdict right there. It's like a very sweet, almost syrupy kind of rye.
Yeah. I definitely get the sweet. Definitely get the sweet. It's. I don't know. I'm not sure whether I love it or hate it. It's weird.
All
one.
right, time for the little water.
Yeah.
See if we can open it up a little bit.
It didn't. There's no, like,
No.
it doesn't really need too much water. It's to me.
No, I'm just trying to,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
for
It's-
science.
Yeah, diluting the taste to touch. If anyone out there has had this before, let me know.
So now the nose has changed to more like a wood a polish, like a furniture polish. smells like
pine
pledge,
sol.
smells like pledge to me now.
Old English.
No, I was like, it's a fine leather, a fine saddle leather nose.
Now you just put that in my head. I do get a little bit of leatherish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. A chemically leathery smell.
Furniture polish.
Maybe that's why I love it and hate it. It's like it's a good smell, but I don't know if I want to taste it. Like I like the smell of it, but I'm not sitting there chomping on it.
I liked it better before I put the water in. Thought, they'll open it up, and it didn't. It just kind of
Yeah.
Kinda
It just watered
flattened
it
it.
down. It didn't.
Yeah.
Like even with a couple drops of water, usually for a whiskey or for a scotch, it'll open it up a bit and give you more flavor. This it kind of.
I don't mind it,
got the
but
flavors, but
it just feels like I said, it feels like a rye that I would use for making a cocktail or something. It's just not.
it feels it tastes a little bit vanilla-y and a little bit leathery to me.
And
If you
I
kind of
said-
mix those two.
I
a
said this when we
touch.
were recording the intro, but like this bottle and the fact that it's made in Michigan totally says bootleg to me. So it's purely medicinal, folks. Purely medicinal.
I think also adding the water like took out the fruitiness
Yeah.
of it
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, don't if you're gonna drink this, don't add water
Don't
to
add
it.
water.
Yeah, or
Weird,
drink.
right?
Yeah, drink it a good amount before you add water. Third or fourth. Water, yeah.
I love this stuff.
Yeah, it's spectacular. All right. Well, let's score it. Sans water.
It's starting to mellow a tiny bit though.
Yeah. All right. I'm torn. Yeah. It's like it's a weird mix of a 3 and an 8. I don't know. But I don't want to average them. All right,
So-
Mac.
It's a 4. I'm gonna go before I added water. Obviously, I think I'm gonna go 5.5 because I kind of agree with Rocky. It's kind of like I'm not sure if I like it, but I'm not sure if I don't like it at the same time.
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Maybe it's one that you have to be in the mood for. Like there are days where if it's like a peaty Isla Scotch or a real smoky Isla, like maybe I'm just not in the mood for a smoky one that day. This maybe you have to be in a specific mood for.
You ever get that tobacco tar aftertaste when you smoke a pipe? I'm getting that now in the back of my throat. Just like breathe against the back of your mouth. Does it remind you like when you just finished smoking a pipe?
Little bit, but
It's like that burny, ashen kind of sensation.
a little hint of
Yeah.
it. I
I
don't
got
know.
a
Maybe
little bit of the pepper,
maybe you
too.
gotta be in the Great Lakes for this or something.
Yeah. You need the salt air.
Oh, you see, now you just led the witness because now I can taste a little bit of pepper.
Yeah, I said the pepper, yeah.
Okay.
I taste it a little bit.
It's a chimera of whiskeys because that's what happens when you put 4 different types of grains in, I guess. It's a 4-headed monster. It can't make up its mind, so neither can we.
You confuse internet hosts of kilt shows. That's what happens. All right, so you were 5.5.
5.5.
Where are you at, Eric?
It's kind of fun, despite everything we've said. I'll give it a 6.1.
Okay.
I could see, like I said, I could see mixing this. It's kind of fun. It's not amazing, but I don't hate it.
but it's not like it's not like hurting me, and there's nothing so overpowering in it. It's like ugh.
Yeah.
So
I am feeling it in my gut a little bit.
okay,
It's a little raw
okay.
for my gut, but
I'm not. I'm good. I don't get like the oaky burn that I usually get. I'll give it. I'm about with you. I'll do a 6.3, 6.4. Because I can't make up my mind about it. But if if I was in the right mood, I'd be like, yep, that's the one I would want tonight, kind of thing. Versus Just it's not an everyday drinker
Yeah.
for those who drink
Yeah.
every day.
Well, you say a glass of whiskey a day is actually can be very good for you. I mean, just a dram, not like not
Not
knocking
a
them
pint
back,
glass.
but you know,
Yes. Okay. So yeah,
not
overall, not bad.
not bad.
Thank you very much, David.
It's neat,
Appreciate it.
different. Thank you for watching. This is Kilts Culture. We have fun here, to quote Rachel Maxey. What kind of fun? Well, we do interviews, we do shows like you just watched, we do culture videos, we even do podcasts now. So please check out all of our content, and if you liked it, please subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. Have a great day.